Hello and welcome to Loma Linda University. I wanted to give you a virtual tour of the campus, and we start here in our 1880s cabins. They are now offices for our faculty and meeting rooms, but this is where it started. In 1905, Loma Linda University, then Emmanuel Missionary College, purchased this property and started Loma Linda University. From here, we expanded and built several hospitals. From this viewpoint, you can see our newest addition to our facilities in the brand new, almost completed adult and children hospital. It is the taller of the two buildings in the center of the video. It is now the largest and tallest building in the San Bernardino Valley. You can see that the 1967 building with its distinctive clover leaf design is still there. It currently houses all our inpatient nursing units. We are looking forward to transferring over into this new building very shortly. So thank you for watching this intro to this virtual tour, and we now are going to go to our next destination, Nickel Hall. Alright, here we are at the second hospital in the Loma Linda University history. This is now Nickel Hall. We have our classrooms and science labs within this building. Actually, the X-ray department is in the original X-ray department of the hospital. One of our laboratories is built in the old DART room. So we have a lot of rich history here, and this is where we have our labs and skill day for the students when they come in. And here is the faculty and student entrance to the radiation technology department. People come in, badge in here, and are able to go to the classrooms. And this is the A-level Rotunda, where many students will study in groups. Hello and welcome to our offices. Come on in. We have two of our offices here. Here's Lisa.
Hello.
She's one of our main instructors. And come on into my office over here. So I'm the program director. This is where I spend some time making sure everything's going well. We do have supplies to practice with, and they're stored here. So we have face masks and sample cups. We have stents and wires and the needles. So these are available for our clinical lab that we do to make sure that you know how to use the equipment before you get into clinical.
Hi, my name is Lisa Parker. I'm one of the instructors in the EP program. This is our skills lab. As you notice, it's big enough to provide social distancing for our students. We have a one-day course where we expose them to what they're going to be doing in the lab, such as donning sterile gowns, gloves, masks. We give them a little look into what's going to be in the OR suite when they're performing their device placements, such as the towels they'll be using, suction, how to prep patients. We also get them a chance to handle the OR instruments that they will be using in the OR suites, such as the Wheatlander, the rake. We also give them time to manipulate the catheters that they're going to be using in the EP suite, as well as the guide wires and the catheters that are common in the Cardiac Cath Lab as well. This is our skills lab. Thank you. Hi, this is Lisa Parker again. This is our laboratory where our students come in and practice on each other. One's going to be the patient and one's going to be the caregiver. They need to learn how to take ambulatory patients from wheelchairs and place them on the gurneys, or ambulatory patients and place them onto the procedure table, which is similar to what we use in the EP lab. Some will have to use a step to give up. Some will have to be helped up by the student. This is our practice skill lab.
Thank you so much for coming along on this virtual tour of Loma Linda University and the areas that are used in the Cardiac Electrophysiology Technology program. Hope you enjoyed the trip. Thank you.